I just want to feed my people, so misunderstood. Struggling, hustling, trying to make it right. I just want to spread the light to help us free our minds.
Once knew a nigga whose real name was William. His primary concern was making $1 million, being the illest hustler that the world ever seen. He used to fuck movie stars and sniff coke in his dreams. A corrupted young mind at the age of 13. Nigga never had a father and his mom was a fiend. She put the pipe down, but for every year she was sober. Her son's heart simultaneously grew colder. He started hanging out, selling bags in the projects, checking the young chicks looking for hit and run prospects. He was fascinated by material objects, but he understood money never bought respect. He built a reputation because he could hustle and steal, but got locked once and didn't hesitate to squeal. So criminals he chilled with didn't think he was real. You see, me and niggas lying and I can't turn back.
Yeah. Acabado la mierda. Drop a death cut. Yo.
Immortal technique disintegrates mics when I spit. I cause more casualties than sunken slave ships. Full to capacity, I bring tragedy to rap without my man Gaddafi. The government took Nazi scientists from Germany to design nuclear rockets and ways of observing me. Cause their pathetic attempts didn't work to murder me. When this country was conceived, bastards never heard of me. But now I hold the souls of slave masters eternally, bleeding internally, burgundy during surgery verbally. Cause I'm a spiritual witch, devils are incompatible. I've been around since the planet was inhabitable. I spit in the ocean, created microscopic animals, which evolved into two species, the righteous and the cannibals. But until then, I had alien make amends, cause I'm the reason that the earth shakes, burying your fam like Central American earthquakes. Immortal technique, Harlem to Canada, lyrically damage ya.
Te dije que se acababa la mierda.
Social, thought it was big. Next time, watch your mouth running up in the streets, chief. Hard knock life, similar to Jay-Z. If that's your man, why he pays me, he chased me. They wanna face me, but 95% of the game can't face me. You crazy? You lie, the way the rain shine. Hardly with a chain, cause I'm big things blind. It needs rhymes designed to split your spine. Cartier rockin' recording, hard time. Spit white lines, I'm ahead of my time. Getting brains in the lemon lime. Bench truck 69 now. Pop, just say I owe you one. Treat them niggas like golf, put a hole in one. You hoes is done. Yeah, we do what you gotta do, baby. It's like, can I rock with it? You know what I'm saying? Like, come on, all these female rappers, man, showing up their body parts and stuff for record sales. That's cool. But see, I spit, I ain't gotta hide nothing, dog. I spit raw. Get a chicken game.